By walking we can go. No?
Yeah, by walking we can go. Come. Alright, Joey, right?
Yeah, Chorei. Another place you went, I think, within Damchara, Chorei village.
No.
Le mi puya hungai kadora ha avian ni kuwa dong loita moton tiang akhom nisen.
Because we got a big community hall for the Chorei people, and we are also very happy from the TTDC side, especially to our Maharaj, his visionary leadership. Under his visionary leadership, we got this opportunity to open this community, means to lay down this community hall stone. In every community, we have given one each in every community. So continuously we are working like this. We want to progress all the community and get together to unitedly, peacefully we can stay for the future, for our generation. That's all I want to say. আমি এটাই বলবো আপনাদের সামনে, আমরা খুব গর্বিত আমাদের মহারাজা নেতৃত্বে আমরা এই সব করতে পেরেছি, এবং আমাদের সাথে আমাদের এক্সিকিউটিভ মেম্বার টিটিএডিসি কমল কলই, উনি এই ট্রাইবাল ওয়েলফেয়ার ডিপার্টমেন্ট ওনার হাতে আছে, ওনার তরফ থেকে এটা একটা গিফট হিসাবে আমরা পেয়েছি। ধন্যবাদ আমাদের চড়ই ভাই বোনদেরকেও, আপনারা খুব আমাদেরকে ভালোভাবে স্বাগতম করেছেন এবং আমাদেরকে এই যে এটা বানাইয়া সুন্দরভাবে ইয়ে করেছেন। থ্যাংক ইউ।
My pleasure, and I'm very honored to be here with Honorable Executive Member and Honorable Kha of the Chorei community. This is the decision of Maharaja to provide each community one community hall, 500-seated community hall. It is under my department, Tribal Welfare Department. So as of now, already we have laid the foundation stone 22 communities. Today, 23rd community, we are going to have already laid the foundation stone. This is not only the community hall. Now the model estimate what we have prepared, that is small museum will be attached with this community hall, okay, and the office also for the community. You can display your own handicraft, handloom, whatever you have the article that is preserved, the means historical things, any books you can display, you can preserve your own. And we have provided land in Holong also. That land also we will we are trying to construct an office for you, and there will be a big community hall for all. We can use, and we will provide one customary code also. So this is the commitment of Maharaja. So but today we are unlucky. Maharaja is supposed to come, but due to the this is the election time, many work, many program Maharaja, but surely Maharaja will come and will have a good program. I think next month Maharaja assured me that he will come, he will stay Damchara or Jampuhil. That time with the brother and sister of Chorei, he will meet and discuss and have a lunch, he said. So thank you, and what to say, congratulations Chorei community and Kha. So this is our commitment. TTADC for Tiprasa, TTADC for our people, no. So we have the lack of money, we have shortage of fund, although we are trying. This is our commitment, this is the foundation stone, and sure we will construct a good community hall with modern facility. Thank you.